going to learn about x square minus 3x plus 2 is less than 0. So to solve this one, compulsory we need to go for the equality. The topic is nothing but quadratic in equations. That's the thing. To simplify this, first of all we go for the equality sign. Why we are taking the equality sign is what is the exact location does the equation will satisfy. Beyond that, it will have some many number of roots satisfying that. Exact location need to be located first. To get exact location, we are going to have an equality sign here. Therefore, x square minus 2x minus x plus 1 is equals to 0. I will take x as a common. Here you are having minus 2 and minus 1 as a common. X minus 2 is equals to 0. Then x minus 1 and x minus 2 equal to 0. So x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 2 are the specified roots or exact positions that will satisfy this equation. But we are having inequation here, that is x square minus 3x plus 2 is less than 0. Now we will go for that. X square, write down the question, x square minus 3x plus 2 less than 0. So what are the factors for this one? This is x minus 1 into x minus 2 is less than 0. The concept is very simple. If I take x is equals to greater than 0, then what happens? This value will be positive. If I take x is greater than 0, again this value will be positive. So a positive into positive will be positive, that is greater than 0, which is against two things. That's the reason we need to take two things here. What are those two things? Means x, if you take x as less than 1 in the one case, or x should be greater than. If you take here negative, if you take here greater than 2, what happens? Minus into plus will be minus, which is less than 0, or x is greater than 1 or x is less than 2. You need to specify like this. Any one condition need to be taken here. So to understand this one only, we are specifying this one. If this is negative, ultimately this will be positive. So negative into positive will result to a negative value, which is less than 0. If I take this one as a positive, this I should take as a negative. Therefore, ultimately I will have a value greater than less than 0, then the total will be less than 0. That condition you need to be followed here. To understand this one, let us draw this one. That is, what are the exact location here? 1 and 2. Now we will verify. Less than 1 means x is less than 1. That is nothing but 0.1. That is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2, 0.5. Then this value is negative. And this value is also negative. The total is positive, which is greater than 0. So against to the law. That's the reason you need to take the value greater than 1. So it should be greater than 1. X should be greater than 1. Then what happens? This value will be positive. Then we should take less than 2. Less than 2. So x should be less than 2. Then this value will be negative. So by this it is very clear that the values are lying between only 1 and 2. Therefore 1 less than x less than 2. That is the solution set for this one. Only between values are satisfied. If you go for this side or if you go for that side, the values makes to be the positive. Greater than 2, if I take greater than 2, what happens? The value will becomes as a positive. Here also it will become as a positive. What is the x value? Here also you will get x value. Ultimately, this will be positive, this will be positive. Then ultimately it will be greater than 0, which is against to the equation. That's the reason we need to consider here the between values. That is x, it should be lies between 1 and 2. It should lies between 1 and 2. So this is a picture you need to understand here.